up, skiers and riders? This is Sabrina, your snow reporter, here with another Snowbird weekend report brought to you by Subaru. We received 3 inches of snow overnight, pushing our season-to-date snow total to 500 inches. Officially 500 inches! That means this weekend is going to be awesome. There is more snow in the forecast, so we're looking at wind buff trails, powder laps, groomers that'll be soft and fun. It seriously is going to be great. You're going to have to join us. This weekend's also going to be poppin' on the Plaza Deck. We've got GoPro showing off the Hero 12 Black. We've got Dynastar demoing some cool skis, so you should try out some of those. And we've got Plazapalooza, our spring concert series, from 2 to 5 p.m. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It'll be live music that you'll want to dance to, even in your ski boots. Easter is also this weekend, and we have a ton of ways that you can celebrate this special holiday with us. You can join us early in the morning for our sunrise service that's non-denominational. Your kiddos can join us on Chickadee Hill for an Easter egg hunt at 8:15 a.m. with a ton of cool prizes. Or you can join us all day at the Airy for brunch with unlimited Bananas Foster pancakes. They're gonna be delicious, I promise. We're also 1 week away from Subaru Winterfest, and we're hyped. It'll be April 5th through the 7th, and you can join us for snacks, gear testing, giveaways, live music, and so much more. You can learn more about this event, all our events, or more about trail conditions and snowfall totals on our website at snowbird.com, or download the Snowbird app. That's all we've got for you this weekend. Join us next week for another Snowbird Weekend Report brought to you by Subaru. See you on the slopes!